You can get yourself pushed around more around this way. That's better. That's good, yeah. And there it is. Beautiful. Good. Just work on getting that angle. And go. Very nice. Good, great. Good angle. Good, Brian. Good angle. Good, Brian. Good, Craig. "45 more seconds." Good, Craig. Good control. Good angles. Nice. Yeah, good angle. Finish her up. Off those stupid. Good direction. Good angle. Nice. There it is, very good. Adjustment. There you go. Good direction. Good. Very deep. I feel that, guys. Guys looking good. Okay. Any feedback, questions, comments, problems?
Yeah, when I do that windshield wiper thing,
Mm-hmm.
I don't know, maybe because my legs are short, it feels a little awkward.
Okay. Let me see you do it again. Number one, that's not a skill we've worked with a lot, so you don't have a lot of practice doing that. That's first. The length of your legs might be a little issue. That's all right. Let's see. So you're here. Clear your foot. Good. Okay. So here's what I would advise. Come here, man. Yeah. Not bad. So we get to the clamp. We're here to get this leg. All right. So initially here, it could even just be ankle to ankle. The depth of it doesn't matter so much. But what I would encourage you to do, let go with your right hand and hold their head down.
Okay.
Because as they posture up, it's going to make it even harder to come apart. So hold the head temporarily and then just do this motion. Reload it. Then frame will bridge away. Fold it, and that should be there. So that could be your cheat code. Use your right hand to hold her neck where she, when you open, she doesn't drift away. So try it again. Push it. Sorry. No worries. It's over here. Literally right practice. It's just practice. I mean, we're talking about practice.
Rachel, sorry.
She's